Well, in today's video, we are going to analyze the AUD USD for entire this week. Actually, I want to give you some new ideas about the AUD USD that you guys can use it on your trades. So as you guys can see, I just remember in my last video, I just told you that you have a chance to see that price again, reaching to this level of price or this supply zone here. It might respect to this supply zone and it start to go down, or it also can have a chance to sweep this equal high liquidity here. But as you guys can see, price just respect to this supply zone and push the price down. And actually, you can see somehow price just give with another new level supply zone here. And actually, this might be a new equal high liquidity here. And we have this gap under the supply zone, so it's really good. We also have a chance to go for the short trade once here when price reaching to this level of price here, for example. But you also need to be careful about this equal high liquidity too. But right now, as you guys can see, price just sweep this liquidity here, okay, and we only have this swing liquidity here. So right now, if price keep continue to come down to this level of price here into this demand zone, I can tell you that in this case we have the break of a structure here, and actually you guys need to see that the candlestick close under this shadow. So we have the break of a structure. Price will come down to the 50% of this gap as my first target, and my second target might be in this demand zone here. So price will come down to one of these levels, and after that you will see that price again start to going up. For example, this supply zone might be a good idea, or actually this one. And again, you have a chance to see that actually you can go for another short trade. For example, here you have a chance to go for the line trade once here if you see any entry point. But let me just tell you that let me just mark this gap. I'm really sorry. So remember, when you see that price just reaching to this supply zone here, okay, be careful about this equal high liquidity. This is the only thing that I just wanted to tell you about our USD in the daily time frame. So right now, let's go into 4 hour time frame to see more details. So we just have the trend line of structural liquidity here, and price just sweep this one for us. And actually, once price just reject this supply zone here, and that was fine, because as you guys can see, price actually didn't respect this one to give us any entry here, and that's fine. But as you guys can see, you guys had a chance to go for the short trade into this supply zone, and if you go in the lower time frame, you can see that price just gave you a good actually entry point here. So you could take this target as your first target, and the 50% of this gap was your second target. But again, we can see that actually price just sweep this equal high liquidity here too, and we just break the low here in the 4 hour time frame. So actually we just did the change of character in the 4 hour time frame. So price also tap into this dimension here, as you guys can see, and we have a chance to see that price started going up in the 4 hour time frame. And the important things for us right now in the 4 hour time frame might be this. Let me just mark this supply zone for you guys. Actually, this supply zone might be a good idea to go for a short trade. Actually, we have another new supply zone here, and we have lots of gaps, as you guys can see. And actually, the 50% of this gap here is really important for me. And actually, let me just check this one here. I don't have any. Okay, so as you guys can see, the 50% of this gap, as I told you, is really important for me. So actually, we have the change of character. Price can start to going up from this demand zone. Also, price have a chance to come down to this level of price as my first target for the 4 hour time frame. Okay, and from this one, start to going up. But actually, your first target that you guys can go for the short trade in the 4 hour time frame might be this level of price here, and actually this supply zone. And after that, the 50% of this gap here and this supply zone. Actually, it's depend on yourself, because I'm just giving you some ideas and opinions about the AUD USD, and it's depend on yourself to go for the long or short trades. So we have this idea. for the AUD you see in the 4 hour time frame. But let's go in the 1 hour time frame. So uh, again, you can see that's this was the high. Actually, you can see that the price just break this one here. So let me just mark this. Really sorry. The high was here, low, the high, low. Let me just zoom in. I'm sorry. So price just break the low here. Okay, that's fine. So in the 1 hour time frame, we are in the bullish trend. So price just tap into the steam zone. Price right now can keep going up. So we have these supply zones actually here, but which one you guys can go for the short trade? What you think? So actually, I don't really like this one here, but you also have a chance to go for the short trade here, actually here, and here into this supply zone. And last supply zone here that we have in the 1 hour time frame is this one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 chance to go for the short trade here. And let me just tell you that if you take it, short trades, you can target this low here because we're in a bearish trend. But if you see that price is rejecting this supply zone and don't respect this supply zone, you guys can think with yourself that price might take this high here, and price just want to start to creating the higher highs and higher lows. So maybe price changing the trend and become a bullish trend in the 1 hour time frame. So we have this idea, and if price break the high here, you guys can actually, let me just mark this one. Actually, this range of price is really good to go for the short trade after you see the change of character in the market in the 1 hour time frame. So for example, price just reject all this supply zone, start to going up, break the high here, tap into this range of price. You see the entry points, you go for the short trades, price create substructure here. Again, probably price is started going up to break the high here, or price will break the low here too. So we have this chance for the AUD in the 1 hour time frame. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.